Hey, welcome back to another episode of R&R Garage. Today I'll be unboxing my eBay clutch kit that I picked up. I got this 2003 Outback that I'm dying to get on the road because my 01 or my 2000 is not doing so well. So I picked up this 2003 Outback and it needed a brand new clutch. Can't really afford a OEM brand and it's not too hard to pull the clutch. So if this one's not that good, at least I bought it and not you. So let's get into it. It's pretty heavy. It's a Clutch Max clutch from eBay. It came with the pressure plate, the flywheel, and the friction material, pilot bearing, and the release bearing. So it should work just fine because it is a match set with the flywheel and everything, and the cost of the clutch plus the flywheel is much less than getting a clutch and then having to resurface your flywheel from a machine shop. The last one cost me about 120 Canadian dollars cash. So let's get into this thing here. So it's wrapped up pretty tight. Alright. It's heavy. Come on. That's it there. So in your package here, might not go too far into opening these. You have your OEM throwout bearing. Hopefully it's good. You have your clutch alignment tool and the pilot bearing there as well on that. I'm not going to take them out of the packaging. I mean, it's pretty straightforward. You can see if that helps. The bearings in there on the alignment tool. And I'll probably add it to my clutch video that I'm working on. So far I'm not seeing anything that really disturbs me. You have your clutch installation guide, version 2, pre-checklist. Oh, and of course, your stickers. Clutch Max. So, I'll probably just stick it on a cupboard or something. And there we are to the meat and potatoes. So now this is just a stock EJ in my car. Seems pretty alright. I mean, I won't know until I install it, but at least you can see what comes in the kit. So, it looks pretty well like it should. That'd be your friction disc there, your clutch disc. Your Clutch Max pressure plate. I'll clean all that up with some brake parts cleaner so it doesn't give me any slip or there's no residue on there. Here. So, like I said, so far pretty well it is what it is. It looks like a clutch, it is a clutch. And then kind of the reason I bought the kit was so I didn't have to get my flywheel resurfaced. It was mostly due to the time that it takes for the machine shop to resurface your flywheel. Now, this one looks a lot different. It looks like a solid flywheel compared to the one that came off of. Compared to the one that came off of it. But the one that came off of it, the previous owner rode the clutch pretty hard, especially at the time of its failure. Probably could be resurfaced and salvaged. I'll probably keep it and maybe use it in the future, and hope that this one works out just fine. But there you have it. That's your eBay Clutch Max kit. Pretty well. Flywheel, pressure plate, friction material, pilot bearings. Hopefully this works out pretty good.